What's the meaning of burnt sienna? Burnt sienna. Burnt sienna.
Burnt sienna. Burnt sienna. Burnt sienna is a brownish-orange color that resembles the reddish-brown clay found in the Italian city of Siena. It is created by heating raw sienna, a natural earth pigment, to a high temperature until it becomes darker and more intense in hue. Burnt sienna is commonly used in art and design and can create warm, earthy tones when mixed with other colors. Its unique shade can evoke feelings of warmth, rusticity, and nostalgia. Its versatility makes it a popular choice for artists, fashion designers, and interior decorators alike.